Welcome to the Erindale College Term 4 Graduation Assembly. Some music students will now do a musical performance. Danielle Banks will now give the principal's address.
Welcome to our students, teachers and support staff of Erindale College, and an especially warm welcome to our final assembly for our Year 12 graduating class of 2022. I always love this time of year that is somehow here way too fast, but yet took us forever to get here. It's a time when we are busily keeping our focus and remaining determined on completing all of those outstanding assessment items, practicing for our upcoming exam week, but we also start reflecting on our learning and what we have improved on so far. This term I've been so proud of what you have all achieved, those incredible personal milestones that indicate you are well on your own personal pathways, but also I'm so proud of the teachers, my colleagues here, that have shown you the way, supported you and been advocates for your success. Together we have a lot to celebrate and be proud of, and as you progress further into your lives beyond school, your contributions to these are some of the claims that will make Erindale College a highly valued school experience in our wider city-state of Canberra and nationally in Australia. I want to take a minute to remind you all of some of the achievements so far this term. Our College Transitions Program and Peer Leaders, the Pacifica Showcase, our Talented Sports Program presentation, the National Science Youth Forum, our Honours ePortfolio students, the Dance Showcase, Music Showcase, LitLinks awardees, ACT Ministers Youth Congress, ASBA students, Storyground graduates at UC, H-Course graduates with UC and ANU, our inaugural ACT College Hackathon winners and scholarship winners. Or you might be one of those hundreds of good people that I meet in the open areas or corridors each and every day who always impress me with their friendly and respectful manners. Those students who are also a good friend, a great supporter, who are reliable and show up each day and share their joy with us. I'm so proud of each one of you. To our Year 12 cohort, I want to say well done. You have provided a fine example of what our young people are capable of. You have taken every opportunity you can and made a memory of it. Our world needs you, your creativity, your open-minded approach, your resilience, your critical thinking skills, and your perseverance. You have triumphed through some challenging learning times, and your adaptability and capacity to focus on what really matters and to create a path and work with others on that is inspiring. Thank you for your hard work and contributions to our community. We wish you well on your journey through life beyond this school building and look forward to hearing more of your future plans and successes. To our Year 11 cohort, you are already over halfway through your college experience. You'll now step up to be our senior students at Erindale College. Take some time to reflect on where you want to be this time next year. What challenges do you want to take on? What goals do you want to set? And what experiences do you want to take with you from your college years? How can you make a contribution? It will go so quickly. Make sure you invest and make sure it counts. And to our Year 10 cohort, think about what you've already seen from our Year 11 and 12 role models. What kind of learner do you want to be? How will you embark on your college experience? Where are you going in your life? How will you plan your next best step with your teachers? We look forward to working on those with you. Our teachers, our admin and support staff are all here because they believe in you and want to help you succeed. And finally, congratulations, all students of Erindale College. Enjoy this final assembly of 2022. Don't let the noise of others' opinions drown out your own inner voice. It's a big and complex world. But most importantly, have the courage to follow your own heart and your own intuition. They somehow already know who you truly want to become. And because your contributions matter, your unique voice and your own way of seeing things is so valuable to our collective humanity. Thank you and congratulations.
Seb Gray will now give the sports report.
We've had a great finish to the year at the Erindale Sport Academy with a number of excellent individual achievements as well as team results. In the netball space, Liam Platt joined Liverpool in the New South Wales Junior Men's League competition. Tarek Ezzat competed and represented the ACT at the school's national competition. He also took out the honours of Most Valuable Player in the Basketball ACT Junior Premier League competition. A number of our females made the ACT Under-16 Schoolgirls Rugby League team, including Maddie, Alicia, Emily, Jamie, Izzy and Charlie. These girls were lucky enough to have current teammate and Aussie rep Georgia Willie present them with their jerseys. Being selected in the Rugby League schoolgirls team, Georgia Willie was able to represent Australia within Fiji. Amber Sibley competed in the National Club Gymnastics Championship in Level 9, where she placed first on bars, second on the beam, and fourth on the floor. She also won the overall national title at the Level 9. Jade Stewart also competed in the National Club Gymnastics Championship at Level 8, where she finished fourth overall in the teams event and second individually in the vault event. Our taekwondo athletes Sally Heslop, Amber Heslop, and Juliana Masiello competed in the President's Cup, where Juliana finished with the bronze, Amber finished with the silver, and Sally won gold in the 55 kilogram division. Juliana also finished silver in the Tahiti Open, going down to Australia's Tokyo 2020 Olympian finalist. Amber placed bronze in the Tahiti Open after withdrawing from the semi-final due to injury, and Sally won gold in the Oceania Championship and gold medal in the Tahiti Open. Mario Baldwin continues to travel throughout the world with his mountain biking. He recently competed at the Crankworks in Cairns, where he placed third in downhill, fourth in the dual slalom. Our AFL boys have been donned the senior schools state champions after defeating St Ignatius Riverview in week 9. Dane was announced as the best player on the field. Our AFL and AFLW squads travelled to Melbourne in week 10. The boys played a game against East Ringwood, where Logan Smith was awarded the best player. The teams were able to tour the MCG. They were able to meet a number of players, including Brownlow medalist Patrick Cripps. Both AFL squads continue with having success this year, where the girls team and one of the boys teams finished the day undefeated at the AFLX competition. Last week, the Arendelle Sport Academy were able to acknowledge some of the achievements of the athletes throughout 2022. Two key achievements were our male and female Sports Star of the Year. The female Sports Star of the Year went to Georgia Willie, who was selected in the Rugby League schoolgirls team for Australia, as well as the Rugby Sevens Australian team. And Mario Baldwin, who continues to travel throughout the world with his mountain biking, is currently in New Zealand competing at the Crankworks competition.
We will now present awards to the following students. The following students won awards for the Australian History Competition: Jonah, Dre, Samson, Sandrine, Brooklyn, Alexander, Kate, Jack, Alicia, Lucinda, Matthew, Caleb, Bridie, Sally, Daniel, Emily, Tyler, Elliot, Rachel, and Jessica. JJ, Tahaliana, Jamie, Katie, James, Dylan, Liam, Christian, Amber, Charlie, Leo, Emily, Angus, Atia, Ashley, Amy, and Riley. Congratulations, you can collect your certificates for the Australian History Competition from the eConnex office. Last week, our Pacifica students did a performance for the community at a very successful night that was held at Melrose High in their hall. Congratulations to all those students who participated.
Australians, oh, let us rejoice, for we are one and free. We've golden soil, well for toil, our home is good by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts of beauty rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. joyful strength, and let us sing advance, Australia, fair.
Thank you everyone for watching this presentation, and have a great day.